Hi! Having presented you how to add and subtract matrices, on our second part of matrices we will focus on multiplication. You can multiply matrices given that first matrix columns are equal to second matrix rows, and if that's true, your answer will have an order of first matrix rows and second matrix columns. The model is presented here and it's pretty straightforward. To give you an example, let's say we have vector A with an order of 1 by 3 and matrix B with an order of 3 by 2. You can see that vectors A columns are equal to matrix B rows, which means we can multiply A by B, but we can't multiply B by A because matrix B has 2 columns and matrix A has only 1 row, which means that AB is not equal to BA. Proceeding with multiplication of AB. To multiply matrices, you multiply first matrix rows with corresponding second matrix columns. But before that, you need to identify the order of your answer. So if we multiply A by B, our answer will have A's rows and B's columns, which is 1 by 2. And that means in our answer we'll have only 2 elements. To obtain first element, we multiply A's row with corresponding B's first column, which is 2 times 3 plus 3 times 2 plus 1 times 5, and that's equal to 17. And to obtain the second element, we multiply A's row with B's second column, which is 2 times 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 1 times 1, which is 17 as well. And our final answer will be a vector with an order of 1 by 2 with elements 17 and 17. Also, matrices can be multiplied by a single number. Let's say we have a matrix A with an order of 2 by 2 with elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. For example, let's say we multiply the matrix by 2. To do this, you simply multiply each element in the matrix by 2, which would give you an answer of a matrix with an order of 2 by 2 with elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here you can see the general example of how to multiply 2 by 2 matrices. First thing you need to do is to identify the order of your answer, which in this example would be 2 by 2. And to multiply matrices, you simply multiply first matrix rows by corresponding second matrix columns, as shown here. In general mathematics, when you multiply something by 1, you still get the same answer. In matrices, 1 is represented as identity matrix. It's denoted with the letter I, and it must have same number of rows and columns. One more feature is that leading diagonal of identity matrix must have 1s and all other numbers are zeros. For example, if we have identity matrix with an order of 2 by 2, you see that leading diagonal has only numbers 1 and all other numbers are zeros. Or identity matrix with an order of 3 by 3. Again, leading diagonal only 1s and all other numbers are zeros. To give you a more practical example, let's say we have matrix A with an order of 2 by 2 and identity matrix with an order of 2 by 2. If we multiply both of them, we still get an answer with the same elements as matrix A. So in general, when you multiply matrix M with identity matrix, your answer will be matrix M. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll try to answer them all. Thank you for watching.